That's
Okay.
what happened.
See, that's what happened, and then I put it to bake. Everybody I give this recipe, but I find so many years ago in a newspaper.
Oh.
And I said somebody make a mistake. And I'm saying, how can that be? No flour? How can that be a roll? And I say, you know what, let me try it.
It's coming out there.
Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. That's fine. Nothing wrong. Don't worry about it.
So like that.
It's gonna make it.
You're gonna bake that one.
Yeah,
How many
I'm
minutes?
baking now. The stove is heating on 350.
Just only egg, right? And
Yeah, it doesn't take too long.
the cocoa.
Yeah, cocoa is gonna be dark. And then the whipping cream is gonna be light inside. I open it, I put the whipping cream, then roll it
Then roll
again.
it, okay.
So I have to show you everything so you have idea. Because I can tell that you guys you don't make something like that.
Me, I don't.
All my friends have this recipe, but nobody
Perfect.
succeed. But
Then
25 minutes, 350.
okay, there you go.
When it's done.
25 minutes, right?
Yeah, 25 minutes. And then I turn it over.
The
Vanilla.
and the whipping
You
cream,
saying
right?
same like Amelia. Amelia said vanilla. Vanilla. Okay. There.
Slant.
And that's I have
That's
to. Yeah.
How many? Let's hear vanillin. It's vanillin.
Every
And this one,
yeah, the whipping cream.
whipping cream. There you go. So a little bit color and then make it like that. Ooh la la. So while it's hot, you need to roll it.
Yeah, you need to roll it and stuff.
Oh, good.
Don't say it yet.
Because if I do like that, it's gonna break it already.
No, you go nice and slow. You take your time. Okay.
Oh my God.
So. That's what my friend says. It breaks.
Yeah.
No, it's not breaking. It's not broken. No,
Oh
it's
my
not broken.
gosh.
It's a little bit, but when I put the whipping cream, I
whipping
put
is-
it around, it covers. If it breaks a little, it's okay. It's not a big deal. So now it cools down. Open it. Have it ready, the filling. Put
Oh,
the
so
filling,
open it
then
first.
roll it again.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And then I put the cream all around, then I put sprinkles around, make it nice.
Okay. That's
So I only find this box for you.